Programming most machines. Locate the machine's program key and turn the program switch to on. To locate program switch on Sibylla, remove the drain tray and locate the toggle switch. The switch is a few inches back on the right side of the machine. Turn the switch to on in order to program. Program the right side first. Press and hold the program stop button until all the lights turn on. When the lights are lit up, the operator can select a button to program. Make sure you use fresh coffee when programming each button. Insert the portafilter in the group head. Select the shot button to program. When the volume in the cup is at the desired level, select Program Stop. Repeat this process with every button. Again, use fresh coffee for every button used. When you program the right group, all groups to the left will be copied. Programming the Argenta and Pratik. Locate program switch. Stainless steel toggle switch located behind the steam wand. Put the program switch to on position, turn the machine off for 10 seconds, then turn back on. The machine is now ready to be programmed. Press and hold Program Stop button until all lights light up. Then make a coffee for every button on the machine. When the level desired is achieved in the espresso, hit the button again to stop. Flip program switch to off position.